I love it.
The canopy looks strong, but these leaves are showing early signs of magnesium deficiency.
Noted. I'll adjust the nutrient flow to Sector 4 immediately.
The drone's thermal imaging allows us to precisely map the ripeness levels across the entire orchard, ensuring peak harvest efficiency.
Here at the preliminary sorting station, optical sensors classify the durians by size, ensuring an orderly and highly efficient workflow.
All right, easy back. Keep it coming straight and hold it right there. You're good.
The journey begins as the refrigerated truck leaves the fertile orchard, carrying its precious cargo onto the vast American highway system.
With real-time tracking, we guarantee the integrity of the shipment. The temperature remains optimal, even during transit.
The facility maintains a steady 15 degrees Celsius, ensuring every approved durian is perfectly preserved for transport.
This state-of-the-art facility utilizes precision automation. The dual stainless steel blades ensure each
Looks stable. The airflow adjustment worked.
Yes, cross-reference the data on the hydrometer readings here. Watch this reading here. It's spiking slightly outside the target.
Got it. I'm compensating for the density variation.
The IQF durian segments are conveyed from the blast freezer at -40 degrees Celsius. The trays emit a
The core temperature is holding steady at exactly 10 degrees.
Good. The airflow optimization is working perfectly across all racks.
The viscosity sensor probe ensures the puree meets precise softness and flow metrics for optimal consistency.
Sterilized pipes deliver the milk and cream base into the PC54 mixing tank. Robotic valves open in perfect synchronization as the ingredients blend smoothly.
A high-speed turbine mixer whirls at 10,000 RPM, creating a vortex inside the tank. PC57. The freshly sterilized mixture flows through a jacket cooling system that rapidly lowers its temperature to 4 degrees Celsius.
Stability levels look good on the PC58 mixture.
Agreed. The flow rate is consistent with the protocol.
H meters, fat analyzers, and digital refractometers measure acidity, fat levels, and sugar concentration of the base.
Once approved, the durian ice cream base is pumped into a high-pressure homogenizer. The homogeneous mixture flows into a microfiltration chamber that removes any remaining fiber particles. The homogenized durian ice cream base enters an ultra-fine robot polishing filtration unit equipped with ceramic. After polishing, the finished durian base, now fully refined and visually glossy, flows through results. The refined durian base continues through the UVC sterilization tunnel. The reflective geometry maximizes.
The temperature in the PC67 tank is holding steady at the lower threshold.
Good. Let's maintain the current flow rate and monitor for the next hour.
The CFD visualization shows optimal vortex formation here.
Agreed. Particle count is well within acceptable parameters.
Stations. An AI-powered camera inspects label alignment, straightness, adhesion, and clarity.
A precision check weigher verifies each bottle's final weight. A smooth-moving stainless platform displays
Our synchronized packing line, featuring the state-of-the-art PC-82 robotic arm, guarantees
A shrink wrap tunnel encloses each carton in clear heat seal film. As cartons move through the heated chamber, the film tightens uniformly around the box.
The PC-87 autonomous forklift smoothly retrieves the pallet, its sensors flashing blue.
All readings confirmed within range.
Log updated. We're clear here.
RFID antennas mounted across the warehouse every pallet's location automatically.
With impeccable accuracy, the PC-92 retrieves the wrapped pallets from cold storage and brings them efficiently to the loading bay. A thermal locking system seals the truck doors using temperature-controlled clamps. Green confirmation lights indicate a secure closure.
Welcome to Future of Logistics. The PC-101 system rapidly sorts thousands of pallets and
The Durian base is relocated into the store's cold storage room, organized by product category and rotation.
This is incredible. It really is. I love it.